Hello, and welcome to the installation video for CURT's 13397 Class 3 trailer hitch installed on the 2023 Honda CR-V. This hitch fits a variety of vehicles. Please visit our website to see the current vehicle fitment coverage and to find the right custom-made trailer hitch for your vehicle. Begin by removing retainer fasteners holding a plastic fascia panel in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the retainers out, being careful not to damage them. There could also be a 10mm bolt holding the panel. Remove this bolt if present, and remove the panel. Now you will need to lower the exhaust by prying the rubber exhaust isolators off the exhaust hangers. Using a soapy water mixture can help lubricate the rubber isolators and help to remove them. Locate and remove a final bumper cover fastener near the recovery loop. On the driver's side, fishwire the attachment hardware into place by using the included fishwire tool. It can help to make a slight bend in the wire for easy routing. Then insert the coiled end of the fishwire into the attachment point and out through the large access hole. Then, place the square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fishwire and place the spacer into the large access hole. Now thread a 7/16" carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fishwire and insert it into the large access hole. Pull on the opposite side of the fishwire, pulling the carriage bolt through the square hole spacer and down and out through the attachment point. Repeat this same process on the second attachment point. Leave the fishwires attached for now. Above the muffler on the passenger side, repeat the same fishwire technique for both attachment points. Next, identify the trim diagram in the instruction sheet, linked in the description below, and mark the plastic fascia for trimming. Measure twice, cut once. Use a utility knife or aviation shears to cut the plastic trim, being careful not to cut yourself or damage anything else. Use the trim diagram again to measure, mark, and cut the underbody plastic fascia panel. Raise the hitch into position with the help of a friend, raising the hitch's side plates up above the exhaust and thread the fish wires through the attachment holes in the side plates. Once the hitch is in position, with the hardware installed through the side plates of the hitch, carefully remove the fish wire and fasten the hardware with the 7/16" hex flange nuts on all 4 attachment points. Then insert the 1/2" bolt through the recovery loop and through the attachment point on the hitch. Then place the spacer over the bolt and fasten with the 1/2" flange nut. Torque all 7/16" hardware to 59 foot-pounds and the 1/2" hardware to 110 foot-pounds. Then reinstall the underbody plastic fascia panel and reinstall the exhaust onto the rubber isolators. This completes the installation of CURT's 13397 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2023 Honda CR-V. Get ready to bring it and install the custom trailer wiring harness next. Please visit CURT's website for all your towing products and towing information needs. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and always tow safely.